Imagine a city teeming with history and culture, yet holds secrets only a few dare to discover. Welcome to Berlin, where the unknown awaits. Here, beneath the vibrant city life, lie hidden gems, tucked away from the usual tourist trail. These secret spots are where Berlin's heart truly beats, oozing with charm and a unique appeal that sets them apart from the well-trodden paths. They are the city's best-kept secrets, waiting to share their stories. Get ready, as we dive into the heart of Berlin, unearthing its hidden treasures. If you're excited to explore these hidden gems with us, smash that like button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Let's dive into the heart of Berlin together. Once a bustling airport, Tempelhof now hosts a lush garden floating on its runways. Imagine an airport runway transformed into a thriving, verdant sanctuary. This is the story of Tempelhof, a symbol of Berlin's historical resilience. From its days as a key transit hub during the Berlin airlift, it has evolved into a public park, a green heart in the city's concrete expanse. But the real charm lies in its floating gardens, a unique feature that adds a touch of whimsy. A testament to Berlin's resilience, Tempelhof is a green oasis in the heart of the city. Who would have thought in the middle of the urban jungle lies a waterfall cascading down a hill? Picture this, an oasis of calm, nestled within the heart of Berlin. That's Viktoriapark for you. With its verdant landscapes and tranquil atmosphere, it's a world away from the city's clamor. The park's crowning glory is its unexpected waterfall, a sight to behold as it tumbles down the hillside. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely picnic or a tranquil stroll. Viktoriapark, a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Nestling within Berlin's busy streets, the Hackesche Höfe hides a maze of secret courtyards. These are no ordinary spaces. They are a vibrant canvas of Berlin's intricate architecture and eclectic art scene. Each courtyard is a unique world, where the city's past and present intersect in a harmonious blend of art and architecture. From the ornate facades to the vibrant murals, every corner is a testament to Berlin's dynamic spirit. A journey through Hackesche Höfe is a journey through Berlin's artistic soul. Beneath Berlin's busy streets lurks a labyrinth of forgotten tunnels and bunkers. Welcome to the Berliner Unterwelten, a network of subterranean passages steeped in history. As World War II raged above, Berliners sought refuge in these dimly lit corridors. Today, this underground world is a time capsule preserving remnants of a bygone era. From disused railway tunnels to air raid shelters, the Unterwelten is a maze waiting to be explored. The Berliner Unterwelten, a chilling reminder of a time long past. In the heart of Berlin, you can find a beach. Yes, you heard it right, a beach. Tucked away in the city's bustling core, Plötzensee's hidden beach is a delightful surprise. This urban oasis offers an unexpected charm with its sandy shores and crystal clear water. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, dive into a refreshing swim, or partake in a casual game of beach volleyball, Plötzensee has got you covered. It's a slice of coastal paradise in the middle of Berlin. Plötzensee, bringing a piece of the seaside to the city. In the corner of Berlin, a forgotten amusement park silently tells its story. Welcome to Spreepark, a haunting spectacle of faded glory and eerie beauty. Once a place of laughter and joy, it now stands as a deserted monument of time. Its abandoned roller coasters and deserted Ferris wheel embody the echoes of the past, each structure whispering tales of bygone days. Spreepark is a testament to the transient nature of joy, a poignant reminder of the impermanence of all things. Spreepark, a hauntingly beautiful relic of Berlin's past. Kreuzberg, a neighborhood where every wall tells a story. Imagine a place where creativity bursts from every corner, every crevice, every brick. That's Kreuzberg for you. Known for its vibrant street art, Kreuzberg is a living, breathing canvas that reflects Berlin's rich culture. Artists from around the world have left their mark here, transforming the urban landscape into an outdoor gallery. Each mural, each graffiti, each stencil is a testament to the city's spirit of freedom and rebellion. Kreuzberg, where art lives and breathes on the streets. On a hill made of rubble stands a relic of the Cold War, shrouded in mystery. Welcome to Teufelsberg, a man-made hill that harbors the ruins of an American listening station. Once a clandestine outpost, it now serves as a canvas for street artists and a platform for panoramic views of Berlin. Its intriguing past and vibrant present make it a must-visit for those drawn to the extraordinary. Teufelsberg, a place where history and mystery intertwine. In a museum dedicated to letters, hides a quaint little café. Nestled within the fascinating Buchstabenmuseum, a museum that celebrates typography and design, this hidden café is a haven for lovers of the written word. Imagine sipping your favorite brew amidst a collection of salvaged letters from old shopfronts and public buildings. Each letter, a silent storyteller, whispering tales of a bygone era. A unique concept indeed. So, next time you're in Berlin, don't miss out on the Buchstabenmuseum, where every letter tells a story. In the midst of the Havel River, a small island holds a magical secret. Welcome to Pfaueninsel, or Peacock Island. Recognized as a nature reserve and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, this enchanting island is a testament to Berlin's rich history and love for nature. It's home to a historic castle and a variety of wildlife, including its namesake peacocks, strutting around with their vibrant plumage on display. But it's not just about the peacocks. Pfaueninsel offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. A walk along the island's trails is like stepping into a fairy tale, with the castle in the backdrop and the sound of peacocks echoing in the distance. So, when you're in Berlin, take a boat ride to Pfaueninsel, a magical escape in the heart of Berlin. These hidden gems are merely a glimpse into the richness of Berlin's compelling tapestry. We've walked the floating gardens of Tempelhof, unveiled the secret courtyards of Hackesche Höfe, stepped into the subterranean world of Berliner Unterwelten, and unveiled the charm of Pfaueninsel. The allure of Berlin remains, its secrets ripe for discovery. So, which hidden gem will you choose to explore first? Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden gems around.